be honest. Most men today are lost, weak, confused, and disconnected from who they really are. You see it everywhere. Men with no direction, no mission, just going through life. They follow trends and chase attention. But this isn't an accident. Masculinity didn't just fade away. It was killed. Killed by comfort, by distraction, by a world that benefits from keeping men soft. Because weak men consume more, buy more. They obey more. The system doesn't want strong men. It wants obedient workers and distracted consumers. Men who don't question anything. Men who stay quiet, tired, and busy, chasing things that don't matter. You've been told to be nice, to play it safe, to avoid conflict, to never upset anyone. But here's the truth. Nice doesn't build strength. Comfort doesn't build respect. And weakness never built anything worth remembering. The world keeps saying masculinity is toxic. But what they really mean is they fear it. Because strong men can't be controlled. Strong men don't follow, they lead. You were built to fight for something, to protect something, to build something that outlives you. But they've replaced that mission with distractions. Social media, video games, porn. You trade hours that could be used to build your body, your skills, or your business. And the price of that comfort, your confidence, your drive, your dream. You start chasing due dates instead of destiny. You focus on paying bills instead of building purpose. You start living with the mindset of being practical, but deep down, you know you feel empty inside. You don't even notice it happening. Every time you choose comfort over challenge, you lose a piece of yourself. You become more tame, more obedient, a slave to the system. And that's exactly what they want. A generation of men too soft to stand for anything, too numb to feel, too distracted to think. But deep down, you feel it. That hunger. That quiet anger when you see yourself wasting time. That voice that says, I'm meant for more. That's your masculine spirit trying to wake you up. It's not gone. It's buried. Real masculinity isn't about dominance or ego. It's about discipline. It's about control. It's about building yourself into a man you respect. Because if you don't respect yourself, no one else will. You have to earn your manhood every single day. Not through words, through actions. Wake up earlier. Train your body. Control your emotions. Protect your energy. And stop wasting time chasing people who don't value you. The truth is, no one is coming to save you. Not your parents, not society, not some motivational video. It's on you, always has been. So decide what you want, who you want to become. Make a promise to yourself that you'll go for it, no matter how long it takes. Figure out how to get where you want to be, step by step. Start small. Right now, it's okay if you don't know how to get there. Most successful people you admire didn't know how to reach their goals in the beginning. They just knew what they wanted. They took action and trusted they would figure things out along the way. That's what separates dreamers from doers, action and belief. You can stay soft and keep complaining, but this world doesn't need weaker men. It needs stronger ones, men who lead, men who protect, men who move with purpose. Stop waiting for the perfect time. The time is now. Start where you are. Be the kind of man your younger self would look up to. Be the kind of man your future family can rely on. Be the man this world desperately needs again. If you've listened this far, you already know you're not average. You're just unfinished, and it's time to change that. So take this message and start becoming who you were meant to be. Stay strong. Stay grounded. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We drop videos like this every week. Our mission is to help men become the best version of themselves. We'll see you in the next one.